Here's our new place. So pleased it was a small SUV.
The natural sounds of the jungle. Mummy, mummy.
No, Daddy.
Oh, fine. Got a nice bow there, Jen.
Ooh, oh, we got a bow in. Oh yeah. Here's our view from breakfast. Caramelized plantain, delicious.
Is it Cocoa Cups?
Yum, or cornflakes, I don't know. You didn't like the Cocoa Pops, Daddy ate them. Look.
I do like one Cocoa Pop.
Okay, I'll get you some more. What's our first activity?
We're booked into the thermal springs at 10.
How far away is that?
Just down the road, so it will take about an hour.
He is a good boy.
Where'd you get all these toys from?
From the playing room just next door.
You know.
I got something in here.
What's that?
It's playing toys.
This is the view we missed last night. And there's the volcano.
About 80% of their renewable energy from water.
Already had a geek off with a Costa Rican guide, haven't you? Off to the thermal spa. This guy keeps waking up at 5 AM. Do you like being in the jungle?
Lizard!
Oh. It says a little lizard. No. No, he won't. They're friendly.
Moving!
This is cool.
This way.
It's relaxing here in the jungle in the hot springs. Again, we seem to be totally by ourselves. There they are, splashing around.
And there's a bar.
Is that good, Mummy?
Non-alcoholic.
Yeah. Well done. This has got to be over 40 degrees. This is hot. Una lizard. Another lizard watching us.
Hello.
It's Mummy and Daddy private time now. 97 degrees. 36 degrees.
39.5.
40.5 degrees. 100 degrees.
Go, 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 go.
So, all together we've got...
Oh no, you spilled water on yourself.
It will get dry.
It will get dry, that's right. Arenal volcano smoking in the distance. Smoky, smoky, smoky. The girls are sleeping again. Excited for their frog. Freya can weed everywhere after being asleep in the car. Frog walking tour.
Make it sound like we need to walk like a frog.
This is only one segment, so that's a daddy long legs.
Looking at this frog through this big telescope. Oh, eat the termites, not the nest.
Not the nest.
Leafcutter ants have destroyed this plant.
They will secrete this venom through their skin.
Millipede, teeny tiny frog.
Feels like a bone if you touch it.
Really?
Yeah, it's like rock solid.
Millipedes are poisonous. Huh?
Okay, wash my hands, yeah?
Yeah. This one, the worst thing he can do is poop on you.
The Central American bullfrog. Yellow froggy, web-footed frog. There he is.
He's a big boy.
Freshwater crab.
I didn't even know they existed.
Guy under the water, carrying these guys around the forest. Good, Freya. Yeah. Our guide's calling for a Mexican tree frog.
By going quack, quack.
Frog, baby spiders hatching next to it. I'm going to be seeing frogs in my sleep tonight. You having fun? Good. All spiders are poisonous, but none will kill you. Should we feed the ant to the spider?
No, why not?
I'm gonna go for it right away. And it's also injected the venom while he's doing it.
This spider has caught a dune beetle. Millipede, well spotted, Heidi.
Are you wiping sweat on me?
Yeah.
26 different species of heliconias for Costa Rica.
So it turns into like a giant moth, effectively.
Yeah, like a giant fly, yeah.
Well,
So
Bullet them.
does that mean there's loads of them around here somewhere?
Yeah, right here is the entrance to their
Can you
hive.
see now?
You want it as a toy, don't you?
this is a kapok tree, 40 years old. The only way they can tell how old it is because they planted it themselves.
Can you see them?
Oh yes.
So tiny.
Oh yeah, they are tiny, aren't they? There's a long line of them.
We're going to the mums and daddies.
What are we looking for? A mouse. We're looking for a mouse. A raccoon. We found a raccoon.
We saw frogs, real frogs.
2 hours of dragging Freya around. How do you feel?
We have succumbed to lazy parenting because everybody is tired. Freya, let's see a smile.